The India, the youth of the India, and the employee of India, and the government servant, all the people, PhD students, and who are the well wisher for our Indians by Indian peoples. You can see our front papers actually the Audi cars entry into the market. People of India, 95% are poor. So actually but they have capacity, they're capable for the purchasing of the cars. Actually, I means where 90% people are poor, so, for single days, 10 rupees, 1 rupees not get for a family for the purchasing of the pulses and the mustards. So at that time, see, BT36 and these types of condoms and these types of advertise which is in the papers, it is not impossible. Actually, this is the most rascal papers and the nonsense papers which is published in the papers. It is so much where before the 1947 India got the freedom for the papers. Actually, where people, all the 65% people, 65 crores people are unemployed. So there, how they gets money for the selling of the purchasing of the BT36 and these types of capsules, and which is the tempted body and for the sexual increase your sexual appetites. So how, where you get money to purchasing these types of materials, and the Audi cars, where the peoples of India 95% are below than 90% people are poor. At that time, Audi, which cost is above the 1 crore people, 1 crore. So how eligible, how they capable for the purchasing? So this is the so much valueless papers, and actually this should be banned. And you should actually it means already the Narendra Modi FDI, he launches the FDI, foreign direct investment into India, where our financial deficit is so high, our budget is our income by our in year per year is equal to 60 lakhs crore rupees and 16 and 17 lakhs crore rupees, and our expenditure, our spending is 24 crore rupees. It is impossible, it is imaginations, only the capture of the vote. Again Modi want to know to be a Prime Minister of India 2019. That is why in the budget he tell about the budget is 24 crore rupees. Actually it is valueless, and the poor person peoples will be die because they collect taxes a large amount where the people not afford them. So that is why you share the video of the Mahatma Subhas, and we should do ban this car industry, auto industry. If we increase, if we boom the auto industry, the India will be not be developed country. India never change to developed country, because India is the our backbone is the agriculture industry, and the 70% people are living in the village, and the village is the backbone of India, which was sold by Mohandas Gandhi. So no any government no, actually we are the farmers peoples not enter into the, there is no any scopes to be executive to the judiciary and the legislative. This is the pillar of the India, but no any poor persons, no any farmers already situated at that position. That is why I tell to you that 2019 election independently you stand as MP and MLA in all the villages, and we can reach at their stages in the we can enter into the parliament, assembly, or judiciary, and this all the employment, all the employees should be dismissed, and again new recruitment will be happens. That is why I tell you to the you share this video. Everybody should be see this video, and we will make the government in 2019. Jai Jagannath, Jai Hind, Jai Bhagat Singh.